if oil stabilizes, can our economy absorb this shock?
Oh, definitely. As long as oil prices stabilize, then the economy can absorb the impact initially and then move forward. No?
Yeah. Speaking of moving forward, let's talk about the peso. It briefly touched about 59.70 intraday yesterday before settling at 59.50. The currency weakness, is that primarily an oil import story and also, people going towards the dollar given all the risks at play?
The answer is both. One, it's a risk off. So basically, people run to the dollar. And the second is because of the higher prices of oil, the demand for the greenback is also higher.
That's right. So where do you see the peso moving? I mean, if oil goes above $100 a barrel, how likely is it that the peso tests 60 or even breaches that?
Well, it really depends. If oil prices were to move over 100, then definitely 60 is highly probable. But again, just like what we saw a breach of the 100 yesterday, but we saw the peso just hitting 59.70. So it will really depend on how the war eventually unfolds. If we are in the last stages, which could probably be, well, taking view of what happened last year, last June 12 to June 24, then definitely that was just 12 days. So after a brief spike, the market eventually resumed the appreciation, and even the markets eventually took a risk on mode.